In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change your Spotify display name on your Android smartphone. Let's dive in. Remember that there's a difference between a username and a display name. A Spotify-generated username is used for logging into Spotify, while the display name appears everywhere that matters. Now, let's understand how to change your Spotify display name on Android. Open the Spotify app on your Android smartphone and tap on your profile icon at the upper left corner. Select Profile View at the top and tap on Edit. Tap on your current name and delete it using the keyboard. Once deleted, add your desired display name and then tap on Save at the top right corner. Voila! The display name has been successfully changed. This video is your go-to guide for changing the Spotify display name on Android. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these videos curated just for you.